Hello everyone. We are looking at phase 7, chapter vectors, exercise 2, and we are at question number 7. Question number 7. The question is magnitude of projection of vector on another vector. Okay. So this is an application of dot product, and we have to find the projection of a given vector on another vector. So just a little bit recall, if this is B and this is A, and we have to find the magnitude of projection. We have to find the magnitude of projection, meaning we just want to find the value of this shadow of the vector B on A in the direction of A, not the projection vector. We don't want to find, we just want to find the magnitude of projection, not a vector in that direction. So how do we get this? This is nothing but A dot B divided by, we don't want A, magnitude of A, because A dot B is nothing but A and B cos theta. We know from your physics, what we are trying to find is nothing but B cos theta. So A dot B will give you A dot A magnitude, B magnitude, and B cos theta. So we just want this. So we divide with A magnitude. So always, whatever vector we want to find the projection on another vector, the other vector is simply the magnitude is divided. So that's what we have to do. After this, so this is just telling that we can find it, but A dot B divided by A is what we have to do, because here the two vectors are given in terms of their component. Now, if the vectors are given in terms of component, how do we find the dot? Simply multiply the uh, relevant component, like I with I, J with J, and K with K. So here 1 with 4, 4 plus 2 with 4, so 8 plus I with 7, 7. So 4 plus 8 plus 7, 12 plus 7 is 90. And magnitude of, we have to divide by which one? So here, this is my B and this is my A. So I have to divide with the magnitude of this vector. How do we find the magnitude? Simply A square, B square, C square, root over. So 4 plus 4, 6. Okay. 4 square plus 4 square plus 7 square, root over. So 16 plus 49. I will just use this information, 19 by 9. So this is the value of the projection of B on A. Now, if the question is find a projection vector, then simply in the direction of A, multiply with A vector. But here we have to just find this. So yeah, none of this. 19 by 9. Okay. No common factor. So our answer is D. Thank you.